When you search on Google, some websites show star ratings, questions and answers, product prices, business details, and some websites show nothing special, just a simple blue link. Do you know why? Because those websites are using Schema Markup. Google automatically reads your website, but it doesn't understand your content the same way humans do. For example, when you publish a service page or blog post, Google sees text, but it may not clearly understand, is this an article? Is this a product page? Is this a review? Or is this an e-commerce listing? That's where Schema helps. Schema gives Google clear information about your content. It tells search engines, this is an article, this is a product, this is a review, this is an FAQ section. And when Google clearly understands your page, it can display rich results like star ratings, prices, FAQs, and those rich results attract more clicks. Now let's see the best plugins that help you do this easily. 1. Rank Math. If you are a beginner, Rank Math is a very good starting point. Why? Because it is an SEO plugin and it already has Schema inside. You don't need extra plugins. Inside every blog post, you can select Article, FAQ, How-To, Product. Just select and save. That's it. No coding. Best for bloggers, small business websites, WooCommerce stores. 2. Schema Pro. Schema Pro is different. It only focuses on schema. Its biggest benefit? Automation. Example, if you have 100 service pages, you can set schema once and it applies to all pages automatically. This saves time. 3. All-in-one SEO. All-in-one SEO is very beginner-friendly. Simple dashboard, easy setup wizard. It automatically adds basic schema to blog posts, products, pages. If you don't want too many settings and just want something simple, this is safe and easy.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.